of November is Native American Heritage Month, and the Justice and Diversity League is currently focused on bringing awareness to missing and murdered Indigenous women. Our state is ranked 7th overall with 33 unsolved cases in 2016, while Omaha is ranked as the 8th city of 71 in the U.S. with 24 unsolved cases. Thursday, November 19th is Red Shawl Day, and to help support the cause, JDL is painting red handprints, a symbol of the Mmiw organization, en masse to bring awareness to the topic. If we all stand together, we can end Native women's suffering.